For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars, dreaming of what lies beyond. We've sent robots to distant planets, walked on the moon, and built machines that let us see galaxies billions of light years away. But as we set our sights on sending humans farther, to the moon again and even to Mars, a new challenge emerges. How do we keep astronauts healthy on these long, dangerous journeys? This is where science and medicine must work together in ways never seen before. Imagine doctors treating astronauts in real time, even millions of miles from Earth, using technology designed for the unique environment of space. This isn't science fiction anymore. China has just announced a bold plan to build a hospital in space. This could transform the future of space travel, making it safer for humans to live and work among the stars. A space hospital is a giant leap for humankind, signaling that we're not just visiting space, we're preparing to stay. It's about more than medicine. It's about our commitment to exploration and building a future beyond Earth. Get ready to discover how this incredible idea will work, the challenges ahead, and what it means for all of us. The future of healthcare is looking up, way up. China's announcement of a space hospital sent shockwaves through the world of space exploration. Their plan, a dedicated medical facility integrated with the Tiangong space station, serving as both a research hub and a hospital for taikonauts. Why is this so important? On long missions like a trip to Mars, returning to Earth in an emergency isn't an option. A space hospital means astronauts can get diagnosis, treatment, and even surgery in orbit. This is a huge leap for China's space program and sets a new global standard for astronaut health. The technology and procedures developed could benefit everyone. Imagine surgery in zero gravity or new medicines for space. It's not just about emergencies, it's about proactive healthcare and studying the long-term effects of space on the human body. By gathering data and running experiments, scientists can better protect astronauts on future missions. This project is a bold declaration. Astronaut health is a top priority, paving the way for a safer, more sustainable human presence in space. The ripple effects could change medicine on Earth too. China's vision is setting the pace for the next era of space exploration. So, what will a space hospital actually do? Picture the most advanced clinic you can imagine, floating in orbit. Its main job, provide comprehensive healthcare for astronauts, far beyond the basic medical kits on today's space stations. We're talking about a dedicated module with equipment for everything from checkups to emergencies. Doctors on Earth could guide robotic arms to perform surgery in space, telesurgery in action. Advanced diagnostic tools like zero-gravity MRI or CT scanners would allow quick, accurate diagnoses. Wearable sensors would monitor astronauts' vital signs 24/7, with AI flagging health issues before they become serious. In emergencies, the hospital could treat injuries, stabilize patients, and even perform minor surgeries, all in orbit. This means astronauts can push the boundaries of exploration, knowing top-notch medical care is always close by. It's a game-changer for safety and confidence on long missions. The space hospital will be a guardian for our explorers wherever they go. This is the future of healthcare, beyond Earth. To see how revolutionary China's space hospital is, let's compare it to the International Space Station. The ISS has a health maintenance system, essentially a well-stocked first aid kit and some medical gear. Astronauts are trained as first responders with doctors on Earth guiding them remotely. But the ISS is just a few hundred miles up. In a real emergency, astronauts can be evacuated home quickly. That safety net disappears on missions to the Moon or Mars, where a return trip could take months or years. China's space hospital flips the script. Instead of bringing astronauts home, it brings the hospital to them. This means a self-sufficient medical facility in orbit, with advanced diagnostic equipment and the ability to treat a wide range of conditions. Automation and remote guidance will be key. Robotic surgeons and AI-powered diagnostics will handle complex procedures. This is a shift from first aid in space to comprehensive, high-tech healthcare. It's a necessary evolution for our interplanetary future. The space hospital is the next step in making deep space missions possible. It's a leap from survival to thriving in space. Why is China pursuing this now? It's all about timing and ambition. China has landed rovers on the Moon and Mars, launched the Tiangong space station, and is planning a permanent lunar base. Mars is the ultimate goal. A human mission there would be the longest, riskiest journey ever. For these missions, astronaut health is essential, and a space hospital is a critical piece of the puzzle. Testing the hospital on Tiangong lets China perfect the technology before heading farther out. It's a chance to train taikonauts, refine telesurgery, and solve problems close to home. Success would showcase China's expertise in medicine, robotics, and engineering. It's a bold move that boosts national prestige and inspires a new generation. The space hospital is both a practical step and a powerful symbol of China's growing strength in space. Building a hospital in space is a whole new level of challenge. Microgravity makes even simple procedures tricky. Tools and patients float, and liquids behave unpredictably. China plans to use restraints for patients and magnetic trays for tools to keep things under control. Radiation is another big threat. The hospital will need advanced shielding and constant monitoring to protect both people and equipment. Launching a fully equipped module is expensive and complex, requiring powerful rockets and careful planning. Assembling and supplying the hospital in orbit will be a logistical feat. Training is crucial. Taikonauts must master robotic surgery and advanced diagnostics, while Earth-based doctors learn telesurgery with time delays. Virtual reality and simulators will help everyone prepare for any scenario. Overcoming these obstacles will demand innovation and teamwork, but the payoff is huge: a safe, functional hospital in space. This is the kind of challenge that pushes technology and humanity forward. The journey to a space hospital is as inspiring as the destination. With the plan announced, the world is watching China's next moves. First comes research and development, building and testing prototypes of medical equipment on Earth. We'll see news of successful tests like robotic surgery systems and new imaging devices in the coming years. The goal: add the medical module to Tiangong within the next decade. Once launched and docked, taikonauts will set up and test the hospital, starting with health checks for the crew. Will this be a Chinese-only project, or will it open to the world? China says Tiangong is open to international collaboration, and the hospital could be too. Shared research could lead to breakthroughs and foster goodwill among nations. This initiative may spur other agencies like NASA and ESA to accelerate their own space medicine plans. Healthy competition and collaboration could benefit all future astronauts. China's space hospital might be the catalyst for a new era of global cooperation in space. China's space hospital is a project with global impact. The innovations needed for space medicine could revolutionize healthcare on Earth. Think robotic surgery in remote areas or disaster zones. This is how space exploration often benefits us all. The project also raises big questions about international space law and ethics. How will medical care be provided to astronauts from different countries? Who's responsible if something goes wrong? The space hospital could set new standards for cooperation and safety in space. It's also a powerful inspiration for young people worldwide, showing how science and medicine can achieve the extraordinary. Ultimately, this isn't just about one country, it's about humanity's next chapter. A space hospital is a building block for a sustainable future off-world. When we reach for the stars, we lift up our world in the process. Imagine a future where humanity isn't bound to one planet. Picture research stations on the Moon and the first colonies on Mars. At the heart of this future, space hospitals, guardians of human health across the solar system. This vision is closer than you think. The space hospital is a crucial first step. It transforms spaceflight from a gamble into a well-supported endeavor. With hospitals in orbit, we can plan longer, more ambitious missions, knowing our explorers are protected. The next generation of astronauts will venture out with confidence, supported by the best technology and medical care. This will open space to a more diverse group of people: scientists, engineers, teachers, and more. China's space hospital is more than hardware. It's a promise to keep our explorers safe. It's a symbol of our shared dream to reach for the stars. As we watch this project unfold, remember, it's about curiosity, courage, and our unending desire to explore. The next time you look up at the night sky, know that we're building our future up there, one giant leap at a time.